southeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, northern Lake County in northwestern Indiana until midnight. It's 11:03 p.m. Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Chicago, Hammond, Gary, Orland Park, Oak Lawn, Calumet City, South Shore, Roseland, Chicago Lawn, Englewood, East Chicago, Blue Bank, Oak Forest, Harvey, Blue Island, Dothan, Alfred, Palos Hills, Ashburn, Chatham, Auburn, Gresham, South Holland, Evergreen Park, Bridgeview, and South Deering. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The following is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. A special marine warning remains in effect until 11:15 p.m. For the following areas, open waters from Winter Harbor to Michigan.